Welcome. I don't know why this happened. Our schedule was delayed today a little bit, guys and girls. Ready for another big day. We have seen that there is a Euro news being released. Just now we see some kind of volatility on euro dollar, and we had I would like to start a big day today along with the euro news coming. And if we look at the news calendar, what do we see? And let me see the news calendar. Looking at the Forex factory, the schedule was delayed a little bit, and I believe that everyone is here to begin with. So if we look at the news calendar on, come on. Okay, so what we see in that zone on, this is euro news just been released, and so German preliminary CPI, (12:30 a.m.) coming up, CAD and dollar. So dollar CAD will be a very important news today coming up on dollar CAD, and let's see what kind of opportunity we have. We see that there is a bit more upside bias on gold, and suddenly with the news it has come down for another pullback. So gold also, I think that if the price drop below this level, at the daily, if you look at the daily chart here, and coming down to the daily support, might give us another entry. Okay, so gold, looking at 4 hour on gold, 1 hour, big potential downside on 1 hour on gold. And let me see here on gold, setup. Guys, let me know if you are here so that I can start. I'm just setting up the things. Okay, now let's begin. First of all, I will be beginning with, we could see a bit more movement on gold. Now if you look at gold, you can see that since the market open, it's just trending to the upside. The way the gold is heading, we could see quick bounce on gold from this level. If it is dropping down in that direction, this is the daily support level, and any drop to that level, we might see potential bounce on gold. At this point of time, I want to place a pending order on gold here. I think that we could see potential bounce if the price drop to that level on the 20 EMA. So I will place a pending order. Let me see how far we can put the stop loss. So it will be a buy limit, and oops, no. Okay, so it's gonna be a buy limit, and I'll explain later the strategy why I'll be putting. So you see that there will be around 16. So if I look at here on the 15-minute chart, put around 16p stop loss on that. So we'll be targeting first move will be 1 to 1.6, and if we need to change the TP or anything, we can adjust it later. But at the moment, so the buy limit, it will be a buy limit. Okay, buy limit here, and let me see, do it in my account as well. So we are already running a gold on buy, so pending this one here, gold. So gold managed to drop below this level at 2034. I'll be explaining guys later why I am placing that buy limit. And 037. So if we need to extend the TP later, we can do that, but at the moment so I place that buy limit on gold, and this break is against the trend, expecting it to extend a little bit in the direction. Come on, don't move up from this level. It's still not there. So if it bounces from this level, then it's gonna be too early for us to enter. So around it will be 17 pip stop loss. So this is the trend line on gold. If you look at, and if the market managed to break out from that trend line, which is in a bull market on gold, expecting it to break down from that trend line before it bounce back to the upside. So here already it grabbed once liquidity. If you look at the 1 hour chart, expecting it to drop a bit more further. So this is the 1 hour candle that we saw that there is a sudden drop, and I think it's might try to even break from that level. So at the moment, going here long a bit earlier for me, I'll be waiting to see. So we place a pending order at this level. If the market managed to break, then we will have a good entry. Definitely make sure guys you do the risk management, not over leveraging, not taking a big risk. Here I am expecting gold to drop. This is the buy limit that we will be posting. I have also posted in the VIP group as well. Now if we look at in that zone, on maybe revert back to it. Okay, so here I have placed that pending order buy limit on gold. Now let's see how the market evolving, and I will be now going through why I have put that buy limit. And with the progression of the session, I'm expecting gold to give us that entry opportunity. Let's see how far we can go with that. Okay, now this is what we placed on gold. Now let's look at other currency pairs. Also, we'll be looking at Gbpusd. We saw that after yesterday's successful trade on GJ, there has been a big move on Gbpusd. Now, if you look at this market, what do we see on GJ? Now, if you look at the daily chart on Gbpusd, you see that there is a huge drop happen on GJ and coming back to another important level. Now, what I think that Gbpusd is giving us another opportunity to trade the market. GJ is coming to a very, very important level. I will be doing the full analysis, and I think that we might find a long-term holding trade on GJ. Let's see how far it is doing, guys and girls. Hope that you started a big day, starting another big day coming up, and thank you for all the support and everything to the channel, guys and girls. Before I progress further to this session, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, guys and girls. Did you do that? I see that like is going up. Thank you for the support to the channel. Appreciate your support all the time. So let's begin the day with an expectation to go long, to have a bigger move, to catch the big move in the market. So let me know if you are here, guys and girls, so that I can start analyzing and trading the chart. So Tony, welcome. Tony KLC, Chug, good morning. Gemini, Eurusd going higher, lower? Very good question. We'll be looking at that. Patiently waiting coach, a beautiful morning to you. Thank you very much for your support. Yeah, we are also patiently waiting for a big move. Good morning, boss. Please look at GJ. Yeah, we'll be looking at the Gbpusd as well. Pele, good morning. Victor, good morning. Your analysis on GJ and UJ. Yeah, absolutely. I saw that Usdjpy also trending very aggressively. Good morning. Gbpusd. Hello, coach. Thank you very much. Good morning. Good morning, GJ, USD. Yep. Gbpusd. Short on dollar CAD. Okay, we'll be looking at dollar CAD as well as dollar CAD news coming. The buy limit is what wizard is very good question. So buy limit. Do you have any confusion about the buy limit? Let me see here. Okay, so you saw that after touching the 4-hour support, the market is getting a revert here. So it just has come to the 4-hour, didn't drop to the daily support level. It might just bounce from this level. We see that there is a significant bullish momentum on gold, what we can see, and there's a big move on gold. Okay, so here this drop was to the support level. If you this trade, I just started the live session and also started the day, that's why I didn't enter from here. We could look to enter, but it was, if we did it in the middle of the session, we could look at. So this is the 30 minutes price action. You can see from the 30 minutes, there is this long weekend, there is a potential representation of further bounce on gold. Guys, gold looks to me that, very aggressively bullish at the moment. Now, still, I wouldn't say very aggressive unless we see a retest. I was waiting for the price to retest the daily support, which were our buy limit. So buy limit is what? Very good question. You mean that how to place the buy limit, or what's your specific question on that? Buy limit is a pending order. Okay, so if the price is coming back to that level, then we will be entering the trade, which is the buy limit here. Hope that makes sense. Anyone have any confusion about the buy limit? What is buy limit? You have placed okay, thank you. What time frame you are using? Okay, so I'm using on gold multi time frame. Especially I trade gold on the lower time frame. I trade gold on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame, lower time frame, while I trade some of the instrument on the higher time frame. But Gbpusd also I trade lower time frame. And I saw that there is some movement on dollar yen. Dollar yen is in a crucial level. It's below the daily, almost nearly below the daily 20 MA. Some of the pairs really moving in a zone where we could see potential good entry. Dollar yen also, you see this breakdown on dollar yen is coming to a zone where we might find a good entry. I was watching the dollar yen price action for a long time, and we might see a very good entry on dollar yen very soon, expecting it to first create a reversal pattern. After it might create an overextension below this support. You see the dollar yen is a bull market. Okay, so after this double top, we saw a big move happen, and as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we will be expecting dollar yen to break the low and then bounce back to the upside to create a new higher high. So morning boss, thank you very much. Morning, thank you for sharing knowledge. Yeah, absolutely, thank you. Morning coach from Canada. Yes, Usdjpy has almost 100% strength. Good morning, can you look at UJ please? It's changing trends. Yes, we are looking at Usdjpy. So today euro big news. Please sir, can you analyze euro? Yeah, we'll be looking at euro pairs as well. We see that there is a big move on euro dollar, and before we go to that, let me this is the gold chart, made a move. Still I keep that pending order. I'll be leaving it there. So now to be organized, guys and girls, so first let's quickly look at the dollar yen, and then I'll be looking at Gbpusd, and also we'll be looking at gold. These are the pairs, and also euro dollar. Before the 4-hour candle closed, we'll be looking at that. So first of all, let me look at the dollar yen. Why? Because dollar yen is currently below the daily support level, and if you look at the bigger picture in the market, we can see that from the bigger picture perspective, dollar yen is showing very good price action. If you look at now dollar yen, why I'm looking at dollar yen, if you look at the daily chart, what do you see? That the market just tested the daily 20 EMA, and after testing this daily 20 EMA, the market has got a bounce from this level on dollar yen. So let's do a multi-time frame analysis first, guys. Why multi-time frame? Because when you look at the multi-time frame approach, you can see the market from a very clear perspective. Okay, looking at the market from a very clear perspective is the key. Not only market, I believe that looking at the life from a very clear perspective is very important, isn't it? And you can look at the bigger picture. See, this is the missing piece of many paradoxes that probably many people cannot solve. Looking at bigger picture will set you free completely, because when you look at the bigger picture, you understand that what to focus on, right? I see that many people stuck somewhere, let's say you are stuck in a revenue level. if you are an entrepreneur or a trader, or if you are, a job holder, if you are not looking at bigger picture, chances that you stuck somewhere that you can't find any way out. Why? Because when we look at bigger picture, what happen is that some of the things that doesn't matter strip away, and we can look at more clarity to look at the future. You see that sometimes you see some bird during the winter travel to far land for their, when there is winter, they just move to other place, right? How do they do that? Due to the clarity. They know that this is what they need exactly. They know exactly they need to go to that destination. And they go there, right? Nothing can stop them from going there. When you know exactly when you have a very clear picture of your life, it becomes much easier for you to reach the destination that you are looking at. See, when I'm telling you from, the knowledgeable people who has written books thousands of years ago to the modern time, even on my own experience of my life. Almost 10 years ago, I clearly saw where I'm going to go. But if I go back to 20 years ago of my life, I didn't know where I'm going. So what will happen if you have a ship in the middle of the ocean and you don't have a rudder or a direction? Then the wind will take over. The wind will take over and you will go from just this to that without any direction. But when you have a clear direction, you can go to the direction that you want to go. Now, if you look at everyone has the ability, like the bird has to go to its direction where it needs to go, because we all have the ability to envision where you want to go. In the market, when you look at the market, always look at from a very clear perspective, looking at the top to the bottom. Top-down analysis is the key. So if I do the top-down analysis from the monthly perspective on dollar yen, sometimes this happened to me many times. I did a top-down analysis. I saw the market is bullish just to see that I have opened a sell position. It happens. So if it happens, the best thing is to write down. So every day when you sit down, look at the chart, do the analysis, write down that this market I will be only going long. It's a bull market. So if you look at dollar yen, it's a bull market, so we'll be looking for long only at the moment, no matter what. So because if you look at the monthly chart on dollar yen, what do you see? That here is the monthly impulse correction, break of structure, higher high, correction. Now we can expect it to create a new higher high on dollar yen. Now previous months, after this unusual breakdown on dollar yen to this liquidity zone, previous months we have seen another monthly bullish candle followed by this month. So we can see that there is another bullish candle. From this level, the market has got a bounce to the upside and expecting dollar yen to drop to give us an entry for potential upside momentum. Now if we look at the weekly chart on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly we can see the market was forming series of high low, 1 2 3 4 weeks high, and then for the first time the market has broken that weekly low. That's something we can pay attention here, and this is the support on the monthly, weekly, and let's look at the daily chart. Now if you look at, you see that this is the daily support level. The market tested the daily 20 EMA and 53, 149.53, 149.68. These are the zones that we'll be looking for potential reversal. Now this is the 1 hour candle. You can see it's forming a bullish engulfer here. Now this could be a reversal candle, or this could be coming back further. Now 15-minute chart, there is a bullish doji, bullish pin bar, okay, with a liquidity gap here as well. So because there has been big drop here, I want to see a bit more consolidation, retest, and then reversal. So if the dollar yen reversed from that level after deeper liquidity gap, I will be looking to go long, targeting to this level here, okay. So this is what we can look for on dollar yen. If the market reverse, highly likely we could see that it might go straight back to the resistance level. So we'll be waiting for dollar yen to give us potential entry after a confirmation, price action confirmation. Let's keep on the list. Dollar yen, let me mark that chart, okay. So this is what we will be waiting on dollar yen, waiting for reversal pattern to form, and then we'll be looking for that entry. And then the question may comes that how do you identify the reversal pattern? That's what also we'll be looking at. How to place a buy limit? Okay, Julia, how to place a buy limit? So Gbpusd view, can you buy? It's flying, okay. So Gbpusd is flying. We'll be looking at that. So how to place a buy limit? I would recommend you to watch. I have quite a few videos on that on the channel. Let me find out. So you can watch that. So if you go to the channel, go to the playlist, and then you'll find it on the tutorial. Let me figure it out for you. Where is that video? Okay, I got that video. Let me share with you guys. So this is the video that you can watch, okay. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop will clarify. I have shared in the live chat, so you can watch that video. It will give you a full clarification. Who are not sure about the pending order, you can watch that video, okay. Not only that, in the channel, heaps of content will absolutely change the way you look at the market, guys. So I would recommend you to subscribe now to the channel. So let me show you. If you go to the playlist of the channel, this is your channel, guys. So watch by playlist, okay. So if you want to develop a good trading psychology, watch that. If you want strategies, watch that. If you want all the shorts here, weekly forex forecast definitely will help you to track record. So make sure you watch all of them, and all the playlist. Every video will be helpful. And once you are on track, also if you want to speed up your learning and growing, also you can access the premium strategies and content available on the website. If you are our member, then you can access all of them. Now let me see here what's happening on dollar yen. I think it's trying to bounce back from this level, from the daily support. Okay, still look at this one, today's candle. You see there is a weakless candle. So it's a weakless candle, right? Yeah. Now I want to see that the market has given us, I don't think that it's gonna bounce straight away. There could be, but for me, I will be really happy to see that dollar yen has given us good price action confirmation on a bit on the higher time frame. So from the 15 minutes, it's showing that there could be a bounce So it might consolidate in that zone a bit more time. Okay, and after this consolidation, we might see that the market is bouncing back to the upside. So let's see how far it goes on that. Okay, so on dollar yen, we'll be waiting for that. Okay, so now let's look at the GBP/JPY. Dollar yen, we had a level to look at. Once we find that entry, we'll be jumping on that. Now let's look at the GBP/JPY. While we see that gold just again dropping down on gold, let me see. Yeah, we can see that another candle coming down on gold. So we might, the buy limit on gold is still there, so I will still keep it on. If we look at the 30 minutes price action from the 1 hour, expecting it to come down and then to retest. So this is where our buy limit. So if you, as I mentioned, if you are not sure about buy limit, guys and girls, make sure that you watch that video. And I see that, guys, the likes and the view are very disproportional. Could you smash the like button? It really helps to grow, and also help me to motivate to create more and more content that helps you in your journey in trading. GBP/JPY, Euro USD. Okay, UJ, I have limit order 148.22. Do you think that that's too low? So you have a limit order at 148.22. 148.22. Oh, that's 140. Here your limit. Oh, I think that's too low. Take a lot of time to drop there. So if you look at it, it's almost 140 pip away. I wouldn't put that far. Depending on how the market is evolving, I think that. So this is the 4 hour, you can see, and if this current 4 hour candle is touching this 149.53, because you can see that from this level there is a big move happen, right? So this is the starting of this of this channel, right, of this move here, and this break below this level is where we can look for long holding trade. So for me, 149.53 break below will be a very good place for potential looking for buying opportunity with 30-40 pip stop loss, and then holding it for 5 times. That would be a good way to look at. Before the news is out today, probably. Okay, good day. Just join the channel now. It's what's your take on Euro USD. Euro USD, yeah, we'll be looking. We see that there is a good news on Euro USD. So let me look at GBP/JPY. Also, this one is coming down, and also GJ coming to a zone where we might be able to find a good entry opportunity. And then I will be looking at euro dollar. So let me look at the GBP/JPY, guys. Now see that GJ market structure from the daily, and yeah, GJ is coming to a zone where we might find potential entry. Okay, now looking at GJ, and then we'll be looking at the euro dollar. So why GJ currently important? First of all, look at this market structure, guys. Keep in mind that trend is your friend. Trend trading is the most profitable trading system you will ever find. So if you want to find out the direction of the trend, is it in an uptrend or downtrend, I combine two important things to understand the trend, guys. Some people say that okay, they use the moving averages to find the trend. Some people use only the market structure, but I combine two. So that gave me added confirmation. So I combine market structure along with the moving averages. So Do you know guys that why I use 10 and 20 EMA? What are the uses of 10 and 20 EMA? Let me go back to the channel. In the YouTube channel, I believe that almost more than a year ago, I posted a video, everything you need to know about the moving averages. If you want to explore more, then again go to the playlist, then search for a video on moving average. Okay, so now just shortly, if I explain to you here, you can see that this is a very good way to understand the trend. When you see that 10 and 20 EMA crossed over clearly from each other, so when 20 is below, 10 is above, which is, as a rule of thumb, considered to be in an uptrend, combining with the market structure. Okay, so if you look at the 20 EMA is below, 10 EMA is above, so it's what I would say an uptrend. And if I combine the market structure, where I see that this market is in a clean uptrend, so when you identify the direction of the major trend, you know that this market will be considering only for buying. You see, this is the daily trend now. Unless you are trading on 5 minutes or 1 minute, that could be different, but for the major direction of the trend, I will be considering the daily trend for this move. Now you can see that on Gbpusd, how the market is heading. You see, this is the starting of this move. Now if I analyze the market structure, let me draw so that you guys know that where I am looking at the entry. This is the real education, guys and girls, so make sure that you keep full attention to it and note down. See, it's a very clean uptrend. See that this kind of market, I love to trade this kind of market. See, it's no violation of the market structure yet. Clean series of higher high and higher low, which is uptrending market structure. A clean uptrending market structure, right? Now in that clean uptrending market structure, what's happening? Look at this daily move here. A clean move to the upside. Now it's coming down straight back to the liquidity zone. So now this move might come back to this level. 188.94 might be hitting, or we could see the reversal from so this doji, you can see it is the liquidity doji. Okay, so this is where the smart money is on, and with this move the market now breaking back down to the smart money area. What is the smart money area? Smart money area is the order block. So this is where the order block, okay, this is the neckline where the smart money bought. Straight back to that level is where we can look for potential entry opportunity on GJ. Expecting it to penetrate. Now the price action confirmation will tell you that, okay, this market is preparing for a reversal here, and then we'll be looking to enter. Okay, so this is what on Gbpusd. Now this is the daily chart. Market is approaching the daily 20 EMA, expecting it to retest the daily 20 EMA. Let me draw a level on the daily 20 EMA as well. So any drop today to the daily 20 EMA will be absolutely a good place for us to find entry opportunity on Gbpusd. So let's see how it is doing. Good morning, Andy. Thank you very much, Gbpusd. Please, let's give the coach some like. Thank you, Notes, for your appreciation. Farhan Khan, if you here, thank you very much. Would be good opportunity to buy GJ. Thank you for that. Okay, so let's see now on yeah, here what we can see in that zone. If you look at, you can see that this is where expecting for the price to drop down below this level and then to give us that entry. Now as the market is reverting back to that level, we will be waiting for the price to drop back below this zone, and then we will be entering the trade based on that. So from the news calendar we see that there is this is Euro news been released, and there is coming on dollar CAD also, news coming up on dollar CAD, and we will be looking for entry opportunity on dollar CAD. Okay, so leave my account because of US30 gold signal. Farhan Khan, so you shouldn't be trading. You know, guys, if you don't know the risk management, then you shouldn't be trading. So risk management is the key to learn trading. Then you are not a trader, you are a gambler. So that's gonna be the reality. So how do you do the risk management? Well, the first thing that you need to know is when you are opening a position, you must do the lot size calculation, right, which is the key in trading. Now, if you are a trader, let's say starting the trading in the beginning, then the first thing that you need to know how to place the stop loss, how to do the lot size calculation. If I trade my account for the rest of my life, you know, if you want to blow my account, what I'm trading, you need to give me in a row 500 losing trade, at least 500 losing trade to blow my account in a row. So if you give me one winning trade in between the 500, then it will go to around 600 trade that you need to give me. That's how trading is. That's how being in the market and then trading based on risk management. Okay, so make sure you take care of that. Now, if you are our member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, then we have, you know, I was giving that lot size calculator to everyone. If you don't have lot size calculator, you must come back to me, guys and girls, so that I can give it to you. Do not trade even on the mobile phone if you are not sure how to do the lot size calculator. And that's how you otherwise I would say that quit trading and, you know, go to the job where safety, right? Job is safer than trading because you don't need to do anything there. You just work for someone else. Now I did that. Sometime boss calling me in that middle of the night. He need help. Need to go to the site. I worked as a civil engineer. Sometime middle of the night, I hear a client that I have to give the quotation to get the job done. 12 o'clock at night or in the morning, and calling me, I have to work. So yeah, you can do that. It's important that, very, very important that, guys, if you really want to excel in trading, the first thing that you need to do is take care of your trading account by learning the risk management and then trading based on strategy. You know, JC Livermore once said that a trader's greatest enemy himself It's a big lesson to learn. It's true. So once you understand it, you know how to overcome that hurdle to be consistently profitable trader. And I believe that everyone able to do that. But also you can take it as a lesson. I blow my account when I begin my trading. As I told you guys, I blow $100,000 trading account in a single night, and I was devastated. Okay, because as I mentioned, I was not happy with my job. So all the savings that I put in my trading account, and I tried to get rich overnight, putting all in the trading account, and then try to take a big lot just to see that the account is blown overnight. So I understand what you guys are going through. It's a journey. Don't quit. If you blow your account, learn from it, and then next time try to do in the right way. Okay, if you don't know how to do the risk management, come to me also one-to-one. I give a lot of time to the VIP members. Come to me. If I don't know if you are not in our VIP group, but if you are in the VIP group, then come to me one-to-one. I'll try to figure out what's your trading psychology, how you can develop as a trader. It's a complete understanding. So I set my buy limit on GJ at 189. So 189 GJ, let's see. So you put it 189.00. Yeah, that could be a zone where we can look at, but as I mentioned, 189 is below the daily 20 EMA. Yeah, the price might come to that zone. If today the price is dropping to that level, then we can look for that entry opportunity on Gbpusd. Yeah, it's a bit of too low. If you are putting GJ on GJ buy limit 189, no, it's not. It's a good place. If this price dropping back to 189, yeah, I will be also looking to go long. Dollar yen, can you enter at price 149.50? How can you find trend in gold? Very good question. So you see that there is a bounce on gold. It didn't take our entry. Now you can see that from this zone the market has got a bounce on gold. So we might see that continuation. It didn't take us on gold. Okay, so this is the 1 hour chart. Now is still the buy limit. I will keep it on because it is possible for the price to come back down again and to gather liquidity. In that case, we will be getting in, or we will keep that pending order on, to look for another opportunity. Okay, so let's see first of all how the price is evolving in that area. How can you find trend of gold? Okay, so the same thing, the way you will find trend on other pairs, also you will find the trend on gold. And guys, in the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, I see that the likes or view are very disproportional. Could you give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet? So let me see gold. We can see that we placed the buy limit here. It's just jumping back to the roof, and I'll wait for another place to place it. Until that, we'll still keep it to see, because there's a 4 hour candle close, is still 1 hour to go. I'm expecting it to come down again to take us in the trade. Until that, we'll keep it there. Looking at Gbpusd, where you can see that now it's coming back down again, which we could see eventually testing the daily 20 EMA. And if GJ coming back to 189, I will be straight away going long on Gbpusd. Okay, so we'll be waiting for the price to hit that and then to bounce back to the upside. So dollar yen 149 buys on gold. Dollar yen 149.30. Okay, dollar yen. So there is a 1 hour candle 149.30. So you're targeting this candle here. Look, the way I enter, probably you guys have known that. So I do not, rather than looking at the price level, I look at the price action. So there are two approaches. It's absolutely important. See, this will change. You will get an answer straight away. Let me give you the answer. Should you buy at this level or no? How do you get that answer? Let me tell you what make me to take the trade. The first step is to identify that key level, right? The one that you are looking at to buy or sell. First step. Second step is key level is not enough. It easily can break and then continue to drop. Then how do you know that that key level is you should be buying? You need to look at how the price is reacting to that level. See, this is the trading with the open eye and trading blindly. Now imagine that you are on a marketplace. Okay. Now you analyze the chart in theory that this is the price that I should be buying. Right? This is the theory. Now the real result will come when you look at what others are doing at that price level. That is where you, so how do you might say, okay, I'm looking at the chart, I don't know what other traders are doing. As a matter of fact, you can know it. That's why you are here, right? That's what I'm trying to explain. So the way you will know what others are doing, especially the big boys, those who are moving the market, how do you know? Is big boys or the banks or the institutional traders are buying from that zone? Is by looking at how the price is reacting to that level. How do you know? Few steps you can know. The first one that you know is when that level is being hit by a giant candle and getting rejection. It's the first sign that the market might be reversing. You can note it down, guys. Keep it in mind. Okay, so for example, now if this level, okay, the market is gathering liquidity from the top, okay, and a smaller candle is being created, slowly putting pressure, creating series of lower high, sign that it will have another drop. I'm not gonna buy in that market, so I'm not going to buy based on the level. But what about if you see like that a straight big candle hit that level and form a long weak candle? It's a sign that the market will be reverting back. Now if you look at the past, you'll see the past will tell you the future. Look at this one here. Okay, see all those reactions in the past. Look at this one here. Okay, and then see the move happen later. Simple. Okay guys, so trading is not hard. Hard is to do the risk management. Hard is to remain disciplined in your approach. My indicator to help us know about support and resistance. Thank you very much. Do you think the rise of Bitcoin affects these pairs? Yeah, there is an impact always. So buy on UJ 149. Thank you. A good price to buy. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so now let's look at here is the market is consolidating on GJ. Looking at gold, it's a bit more choppy and basically it's gathering the liquidity here. on gold for this potential move to the upside. We'll be waiting for another drop, and then we'll be looking for that entry opportunity on that. Okay guys, so GBP, JPY, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen after this doji is trying to create a reaction from this level. I think dollar yen, slowly preparing for a bounce, but I wanted to see the market has tested the 149.50. Then we could look for that entry opportunity on dollar yen. Paul, thank you very much. Okay, notes. Okay, now, yeah, this is what I was talking about, guys. Now, at the moment, in the meantime, guys and girls, if you haven't joined the free Telegram channel, I'll recommend you to join the free Telegram channel. I do post a lot of educational content on the free Telegram channel. You can stay up to date with everything that we are posting in Forex Trading Wizard Academy in the free Telegram channel. So let's look at now what the market is doing on gold. And in that area, let's find out. Okay, here we see the market is now slowly returning back in that direction. How can I identify that particular price? Okay, so the price, as I mentioned, you cannot identify that particular price. What you need to do is you need to wait for the price to react to that level. That's the key here. Okay. How can I find that particular market will go up or down? So that level you can find from the past price action. Okay. So let me tell you, for example, when you see this is the, if you look at, let me delete that price here. Okay, if I delete that, I will not be able to see that. Okay, so you can see that gold now again dropping down. Now, why did I place the buy limit here on gold? Okay, so the way you will be finding that specific price level is from the previous area of value. So how do you, let's say that exactly if we answer this question, how do you identify that price level, particular price level? From the area of value. Okay, now finding an area of value is the level that you will be looking for particular price action to react. So then you might say, okay, how do I know the area of value? By looking at the past. Past is indication of the future for many people. In fact, if you look at how we create everything, if you look at how we create even our day-to-day reality is from the past. If you look at our brain, how does it work? Now look at the brain, and anything we do, we create a pattern in the brain. There's a called then where the neuron fires wire together, and that pattern, if you look at that pattern, is where everything happens, because according to science, almost 90% of our thinking is repetitive. So that means that what we think today, out of 9 out of 10 thinking will be tomorrow. So that's how we recreate the past. That's why you see that people who has a track record of doing something that is not going in their alignment, they will keep doing it, because the neuro pathway, the thinking pattern, because everything starts from thinking. We think that way, and then we feel that way, and then we act that way, and the result comes in the same way, until we create a very conscious effort to break that pattern and to create a new pattern. So looking at the past, in majority of the time you can predict the future, but not all time, unless you break that pattern. That's why sometime after getting aged, it's become very hard to change that pattern. And Napoleon Hill said that it's taken by the nature, which happens. But if I don't believe in that. I don't believe that a person when get aged cannot be change that pattern. Everyone can change the pattern and create a new one to look at the future. So if you look at the past in the chart, you will find the area of value. So which one is the area of value? Where in the past the buyers were interested to buy is where, or seller interested to sell in the past is where the area of value. So if you look at here, why did I place this pending order here? Is because you see from here there is a buying happen, a big move happen, and also there is a 1 hour 20 EMA. If you look at the daily chart, daily support, where from the daily perspective the buyers were interested to buy from that level. So this is where we can look for potential entry. Okay, that's why I placed that buy limit. Let's see, guys, we had a big trading week this week. Like every week, we are making an incredible trading every single day in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. All the trade that I am opening, also I'm sharing also in the YouTube live chat and live session, guys. If you guys remember, we are running quite a few trades, and if you look at AUD USD, you see this is our live trade in that live session, guys. This is what I'm telling you, that you cannot consider one trade or two trade to determine you trading. This is our live trade. Many of the members are still running this trade, right? This is, you open AUD USD, I'm still holding the trade, and we had GBPJPY back-to-back winner, gold winner in this live session. You guys have seen that yesterday the trade didn't work out in the live session. That's how trading is. Okay, we won back-to-back every day. That's why you don't see 100% winner in my screen, right? 1-2 trades will not work out, but you need to be on that, and that's why I warn you that do not consider one trade is your life goal. Look at the bigger picture, right? If you think that you will get reach one trade by winning one trade from this live session, then I will politely tell you that, guys, Don't waste your time and money. Just go back to what you are doing. It's not worth doing for you, okay? Because I don't want you to lose money here. I want you to learn and grow. And if you think that you are suitable for it, stay here. There is a lot to take from here. You know that in the VIP Academy, I have many ways to help the trader, giving everything possible so that they can consistently grow their account and also learn trading. Okay, so make sure that you take it for the best of your life, right? Becoming a trader. Okay, so for gold today, you want the mark support and resistance on gold today. So today's level, depending on what time frame you are looking, for me, this level that I have placed the buy limit on gold is the daily support level, and that's what I will be aiming for buying. If the market drop below this level or in that level, we could find a good entry opportunity. You see the day gold trend is up today. You can see this is the 1 hour price action, and most likely we could see that drop on gold to that level, and we'll be waiting for the price to come back down to hit that level and then to bounce back to the upside. Today's level that I have drawn is where I will be interested to go long, and it might, you see there is a weakless candle here. It's a very important liquidity zone, and we see potential drop, expecting it to drop down, grab the liquidity, and then bounce back to the upside. We talk a lot about the liquidity, and I believe that, guys, you also understand. Okay, Gbpusd, I will be looking at Gbpusd, absolutely. Okay, so Gbpusd as well, we can see the market is just trending in that area. Okay, so it almost dropped to the 4 hour support level on gold. Okay, so here we have on our buy limit on, guys. Don't place your all capital at risk. Here is only I'm putting 1% of my capital on this trade with around 18 pip stop loss, and see how far it goes. So I placed that buy limit on gold, and also I've shared the same trade in the VIP group. If you guys are on the VIP group, definitely you should see that. GJ, yeah, thank you, coach, doing a great job. Thank you. You are also doing a great job. Thanks for appreciation. Appreciate your time and help with life and trading wizard. Tony, yeah, absolutely. Thanks for that. I know that you are here a long time, guys. It's all about, you know, it's all about making life, you know, gaining the freedom that we crave for, right? Everyone wants to gain freedom, and through trading is easy. I believe that is easy. It's all about having a plan and acting towards it. Do you have a trading plan? If you don't have, then there is a demo trading plan available for you guys to download in the description. You can download that demo trading plan. You can rewrite it for yourself, where you can find the risk management component in it. So if you go to the description area of this video, you can download the demo trading plan, and I would recommend you to use it for rewriting for yourself. There is an objective component, there is a risk management component, and all of them you can use it. Okay. And before you go to the description, guys, for this session, for this live streaming, I would recommend you, should I recommend or suggest? Would you mind giving a thumbs up? And I see that the likes is not going as per view. So let's make it to 100. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This weekend, Saturday in London time, I will be releasing a very important lesson on ICT and liquidity. So how you can use the ICT methodologies integrating with the liquidity, and you will find it during that time. So if you want to watch that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content. Now here on gold, the way it is breaking down, expecting it to drop down to this liquidity zone. My buy limit is still on there. I'll be waiting for that to happen, to break that low, to give us that entry opportunity. Here is we do the real trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And thanks for, I see that a lot of good feedback coming. See, be trading in this trading game, guys. You'll find very rarely the real trading system, real trading academy, where the members makes the real money. Here we do. And just now I see a post on the group. One of our member posted his statistics, his back testing result. Thank you for that. Just now he posted, with low risk he gained 10% with our tool, and that's absolutely good to know. That let me bring that screenshot without his name. Bring that. See guys, this is a real screenshot. Now I can verify it. This is from our group. Now the screenshot that I have brought, I know that many of our VIP members are watching this live session, so I can verify that this is from our group, from our real group where all the members are trading. So something is verified means that it's the real thing. So the member has written 2 weeks of operating AI on low risk, 10% gain. So this is a verified, and I can request any of our VIP member who are on the group, if you could please say that yes, you have seen that it's verified. So this is how we do. You see, he did a good job as well. Thank you. You see, he did a full back testing of the tool that I'm using, also giving the member. and you see this is his stats on that, and this is the full back tested results that he had posted. Thank you. I really appreciate your support to the group. And this is what it is, you know, not only me. You see, this is the time of AI. Please sir, what time is the live session on Saturday? Saturday live sessions mean like it will be a premiere exactly the same time we start our live session, the same time. Now guys, as I mentioned before, it's the time of AI, right? I have my manual trading, and also we have now AI that we are making incredible. What does that tool do? What is it? Here, this is AI, okay? Artificial intelligence. So this is AI. That means that basically this is the tool that, if I just elaborate you, instead of saying artificial intelligence, is the strategy that has been automated that trades for me, okay? It's not any kind of, this is my strategy currently integrated as an EA or an expert advisor, and it's available for only for the VIP members in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So they are, you know, I'm giving them so that they can, because I don't market it outside yet, because I don't want this strategy to be used by million people. It's a profitable strategy. I only want to help those who really need it. So if you are our member, you can access it. Yeah, Andy, thank you very much for confirmation. Yes, Andy, thank you for your support. This is what I was talking about, guys. And let's keep that way. Let's keep genuine, original, and trading like that. Just one thing from you guys: when we trade manually, then make sure that you are not blowing out with just taking a single risk on a single trade. Let's keep doing, keep learning, keep growing as a trader. And at the same time, you know that this is AI is a tool that you can use to accelerate your growth. But at the same time, you must embrace your manual trading system, manual trading, that you open trade by manually. All right. So if you know, one day I remember the kids in school, that the school were implementing this, you know, in their classroom for the kids to computerized. And I was surprised that why they are doing. They should be only keeping that manual. Now I understand that actually over time everything now is modern, right? Imagine that in 1980 and 1970 having a mobile phone was rare. Now smartphone everywhere. Who knows, in 10-20 years maybe there will be flying car. Okay, so the advanced human beings are those who advance with the technology, who embrace the changes. Because guys, keep in mind that you might say, okay, I will be only trading in a manual. Then some trader who are using AI, they are also in the market, right? Their order also is being filled. So you need to compete with them also, right? Let's say you are trading manually. I am also trading manually. I have my swing trading account that I do. Absolutely, no doubt about it. But those who are trading AI or, you know, using faster, more intelligent method, their order also in the market, and you need to compete with them also. So that's why we are diverse in that sense. And let's keep it simple. The only thing that we need is to grow as a trader, gain financial freedom, and then, you know, becoming who we are. And that's what we are trying to help here. Let's keep trading that way and growing as a trader. And thank you for all the effort you guys also are doing in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And, you know, we are learning and growing as a trader together as a community. I know that, you know, I am very positive in everything, but some might get a little bit of, you know, some people might get jealous about our success. But thank you for, you know, all the support you guys are giving. um and I would say that it's sometimes it happens when you grow, when you do a lot of development, some might get at some point jealous. But what I can do, I have to help the trader no matter what. I have to help myself and the trader. So make sure, guys and girls, you stay in the zone, keep focus on the right information, and then grow as a trader. Thank you very much, Andy. Thanks, Andy has posted that. Thank you. Thank you, Sandy. What is the success rate on AI scanner you use? So this is what I have showed now. Andy has done that. So his name is one, right? I just crossed it out because Andy said that he confirmed. So I just, because without his consent I can't show his name, so he confirmed on the live chat. So he, in 2 weeks he gained 10%. We are running that group, and which is absolutely incredible. Depending on your setting and risk parameter, it may vary based on your requirement. How can you join the VIP group to learn? Okay, so if you want to join the VIP group to access all of them, let me guide you to the direction, guys and girls. This is the we have few spots, as I mentioned. Whenever the members on the group, you know, we take members and then we pause for some time so that I can guide all the members coming in the channel. But at the moment we have few spots left before again going to the wait list. You can join today. Let me give you the website link. So this is the Forex Trading Wizard Academy website, www.forextradingwizard.com. This is the website. Once you are on the website, then click join now button. Okay, so visit the website, and once you are on the website, click join now button. So once you click join now, then you can so once you join the lifetime access, so you have all the access to everything, and that's it. So once you're on board, you will have access directly to me. So for those who are our member, you can directly contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp, and then I'll guide you, or you can find all the information on your student dashboard where you can access everything. Thanks for that. Okay, so here what we can see from gold, this is where we place that pending order, waiting for the price to come back and then to hit that you know, that liquidity zone. So I think we might get a trigger here. My pending order is here, waiting for the price to come down to hit that, to trigger, and then to bounce back to the upside. So we'll be waiting for that entry. Okay, the pending order is on, and I will keep that pending order on. So GJ is consolidating in that area. So we might find a good entry on dollar yen, on Gbpsd, and on gold. Also, we'll see how euro dollar is doing in the meantime. But gold looks to me that coming down to the daily support level, and then our pending order is there. So due to the time limit, as you know, that I have to I will be conducting another live session in just a couple of hours, or NOI session. I need to take a break in the middle. So in the meantime, this trade that you can see on gold pending order is still on. It might get triggered in a couple of minutes, so I'll keep it on. If you also place that pending order, things will look into this. Any offers at the moment? So there was a big giveaway in a couple of days ago. with 70% off, and many of the members already have joined that. But at the moment the coupon has got expired, so everyone has joined with that coupon. But let me see, guys, when you ask sometime, I am very can't say no. Let me find out. Okay, so okay, let me give you a couple of entries on that, and that coupon has got expired, but I'm putting a couple of entries more on that so that you guys, for those who are interested, can get on board. So let me share with you that. Okay, so this coupon is getting expired in few hours, so we can use that. You can use that. This is another $200 off on it, so which is the 70% off on joining the lifetime access plan in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Guys, use it now please, because it's gonna ending in couple of hours. So I have given a couple of entries on that. You can use that on the lifetime access checkout and then join to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, when you can access AI, our gold scalping group, our swing trading group, and all the educational content where you can learn and grow as a trader. I do conduct classes. There will be more coming up, and once you are here for the lifetime, you will be here for the lifetime. So make sure you take that advantage, and yeah, let's keep growing as a trader. And now here I will be keeping that pending order on in this zone on gold. Okay, so we'll keep that pending order on. Looks like that gold might drop and hit that entry. So if, as I will be exiting this live before we come on live again in a couple of hours, if the price trigger here, I will give you an update on the VIP group. If you are on the VIP group, you will find it. If you are not on the VIP group, just letting you know that if the market triggers, hit that trigger and goes to the buy, it goes to the profit at least 1 to 1, so at least 20p profit, then I will take 50% profit off the market, move the stop loss entry, and will let the rest running for the full TP. Looks like that we might see a trigger here. Let's see. And with that said, guys and girls, it was an enjoyable session with all of you. There is any fee attached to joining the website. Okay, notes. As I mentioned, it's currently 70% off, so you can join today with that only 30% fee for the lifetime. It's not a fee, guys, it's everything there, everything, all my trade, everything is there. It's nothing in comparison with as I mentioned in the past day, that I could give it for free. But if I give it for free, then many members will come who really are not passionate about trading, but will take a lot of admin work from us. So that is why, to screen out the real trader who are really passionate about trading, because I want to help, but who are truly needed. So gold, we see that it's coming down. I want to extend a little bit in this live session just to see how the trade is triggering. So guys, stay tuned. The pending order is on there on gold. So I'll keep that here. And in the meantime, I had yesterday's sell trade on that, and I will be exiting that trade. Okay, so here on okay, so buy limit is active there. So buy limit is I placed that buy limit. Let's see if the market triggers. Will be okay. We are extending this live session for this trade. So this is the daily support. Okay, so from the 1 hour, see it rejected from a doji. Okay, so this is a little bit of concern here. There is a doji, and this is the weekly. So from the weekly resistance, today is Thursday, right? Thursday. Look at the weekly. So guys, from the 1 hour chart, what we see that there is a doji here. Okay, so with that doji, it's a big candle dropping down. So at the moment I don't want to take this trade because it's not going as per the plan, so I have closed that pending order. I'll explain why. We have a lot of opportunity to take. Okay, I closed the pending order. Now you might get triggered. It's a very quick call, I know that. So if that's the case, you can hold it. You see there is a doji. The market has just grabbed the liquidity from here, has got rejection. So it might be a bit stronger move. Now if you are already triggered, no problem. It's at entry. You should be seeing the profit very soon for this move, at least some point. And then depending on, you can manage the trade. I have not taken. If you already triggered, then you can see how once the market will go up for a pullback, yes, you see that it's gonna go up for a pullback, then you can either close with smaller profit or at entry. There is a very sharp, so it's from a multiple manipulation here. So it should be in profit now. So it should, if you have triggered that trade, it should be in profit at the moment. So I have not taken this trade. The reason is from the 1 hour. From the 1 hour, I see that there is a, you see there is a doji here, and that doji is basically, there is a liquidity grab here. Okay, so in that zone there has been a liquidity grab, and with that liquidity grab, it might have a bit more stronger drop. So in case you have triggered that, you should be already exiting the trade because it has reached that little bit of in profit or entry, depends on. I think we might see a bit more downside. Now if in case the market give us a very clear direction, that only I'll be doing, because it did here something from that multiple manipulation here, and so depending on how the price is coming down, if needed, then I will be entering again. At the moment I'm out. So you guys hope that exit the trade or running, depending on your situation. Yes, still here. Thank you very much, Germany. Send, very good, welcome. And with that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this live session, and let's keep trading. Patience is key. Always keep in mind, stay patient and be consistent in your approach in trading. And now we see the JPY pairs, GBP JPY is getting a rejection. See, this is the 4 hour candle closing as a, looks to me that GJ might be closing as a doji or as a pin bar. But what I think that today GJ might come down further. Okay, so we might see a retest of the daily 20 EMA, and this is what also I'll be looking at for entry. If we see that GBP JPY has broken down again, tested the daily 20 EMA, then I will be looking for entry on GJ. So with that being said, guys and girls, I believe that you enjoyed this live session, and it's almost 2 hours live. It's a long one. I will be coming on live in just a matter of 2 hours. I'll see you there, trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy. If you're joining on the VIP, then I'll see you there. Today also given that the same coupon, though it was ended, but many of you have requested, so has given that you can use it right now to join us to access the Forex Trading Wizard Academy with AI and all the tools that we have. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon trading live together.